Hey, seventh graders, Miss Yanish here. So I'm going to explain your last week's worth of new material as we are wrapping up inequalities. So Monday, you have no homework because it's Memorial Day. If you want to work on your stuff this weekend, if you have time, because I know it might be storming and stuff, totally feel free. It is not Memorial Day, so there's no assignments. I will be around for my 11 o'clock Zoom homework help meeting that day. I'm going to take that 1 hour and do that. And if you want to set up a different time, and I will be available by email on Monday as well. So Tuesday, there's a decimals activity. So it looks like this. We're going to be exploring some true or false inequalities first. If something is still true, something is still false, that's the teacher answer key. What do you notice about the operations that made the inequality false? And then some rules about when we multiply or divide by a negative. So please make sure to do this. This is going to be incredibly important. Do this first. There also is a short 1.5 minute video in here explaining why that's working the way it is. Then I just want you to answer these questions. So how would you explain to someone who didn't complete the activity? Explain how to solve this, which is what you did last week, and then explain how you would solve this one. And be careful, there's a negative there with the variable. Then on Wednesday, watch this video, please, please, please. So I am choosing these videos specifically because they go along with what the assignment is. And then you have your last big ideas assignment, 4.3. Remember, these are here. The inequalities are found under this symbol down here, and then only use these. And most of you have been following those directions really, really well. So the big ideas assignment looks like this. You've got 2 problems that do not have a negative with the variable, so you don't have to worry about flipping the inequality symbol in your answer. And then there are 2 problems that have to do with the negative, or have to do the negative with the variable, so you will have to flip the direction of the inequality symbol. This one, use a calculator, you can do it. And then there is only 1 word problem. So it's currently 0 degrees outside. It's also a multiple choice. So if it's dropping, is that a positive or a negative? And then you have to figure out what inequality symbol it would start with. And then you have to solve the inequality. And then that is it. Then you are done with big ideas assignments as long as you submit that. And then Thursday is a Khan Academy problem set. So here is solving 2-step inequalities. Again, there's a really, really, really great video. I mean, you don't want to hear my voice any more than you already are. So really, really great video. I thought it was the best, better than me recording my own. And then there is a Khan Academy problem set that you just have to do and take a screenshot for. So just practicing 2-step. In 8th grade, you are going to start with these. So making sure that you kind of have a good enough understanding would be great. So it says which graph represents the solution. So you do have to solve this first. So add 11, then divide by a -2 because this negative stays around. And then because it's a negative, got to flip the inequality symbol and then pick the graph. Okay, you just have 7 of those, screenshot when you're done, and then that is it. There's an optional level 4. I did take out the reflection part, so if you do have a specific question, please email me, or just, you can even type it in here if you still have some questions. And then you are done, and that's it for 7th grade. There is an optional bingo board as well to do for the following weeks, and I will hopefully see you on Tuesday, June 2nd. I'll wave at you from the car if you're able to when you drop off all of your materials and pick up your locker materials. Thank you so much again for being great, hardworking students.